I like it.
Hey, Lucas, Happy New Year. Ready for school tomorrow?
Yeah, kinda. Missed my friends, but not homework.
Same here. Did you have fun over the break?
Went skiing with family. You?
We traveled to Hawaii. Beautiful beaches.
How was Hawaii?
Amazing. Snorkeling, surfing, and luau's.
Whoa, I'm jealous.
Your skiing trip?
Awesome, learned parallel skiing. Early wake-up call.
I know, right? Let's grab breakfast.
Mom made pancakes.
Sweet. Excited for Mr. Johnson's math class.
Yeah, heard he's got cool projects planned.
And Ms. Thompson's English class.
Can't wait to discuss our holiday reads.
This semester, I want to improve my grades.
Same here, and join the school soccer team.
You'll crush it.
Here we go. New semester, new beginnings.
Let's make it count.
Hey, Ethan. How's your first day back?
Good. Caught up with Ms. Thompson. You?
Just grabbed my books. Want to grab lunch together?
Definitely. What's new with the soccer team?
Tryouts are next week. Nervous.
You'll ace it. I'll come cheer you on.
Appreciated. Need help with math homework?
Yeah, struggling with algebra.
Let's study together during lunch.
Sounds like a plan. How's your science project coming along?
Almost done. Presentations next week.
Good luck. I'll be watching.
Thanks, Ethan. See you tomorrow, Ethan.
Later, Lucas. Have a great evening.